Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, honey, you can.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This side, Henny, an HR manager from Blue Planet Info Solutions. So, on behalf of the entire team and the HR department, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you for today's knowledge exchange session on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This session will help us understand the core concepts of AI, its real world applications, and why it's considered a game changer in the tech industry. We are fortunate to have with us Risika from Python AI domain, who will be guiding us through today's session. Their experience and understanding of AI will surely add immense value to our knowledge and base. So, without further delay, let's begin this exciting session. Over to you, Risika.
Hi everyone. I'll just share my screen. Can the host please allow me to share my screen?
Okay. Arifa, can you please do this?
Yeah, I do it. Just take it once.
Okay.
Hi, are you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah, Risika, it's visible.
I'm sure. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rishika Singh, a second year computer science engineering student, and I'm excited to take you all on a fascinating journey to learn more about artificial intelligence. And the rapid growth of artificial intelligence can be seen all around us. I'll walk you through what AI is, its origin, its different types, and how it's used in various industries. And as we all know, the future is AI. Here you can see a flowchart of how exactly the data processing in AI works, but we'll get back to that later. For now, let's start by understanding what is artificial intelligence and what it really means. In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. It means machines can now perform tasks that normally require human thinking. We can see that all around us. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI, all these tools are a click away. AI can now recognize speech, solve problems, make decisions for us. AI systems are built using complex algorithms and huge amount of data that aims to function autonomously. This means it can act on their own based on the learning they have from our experiences and the data that we share. Even it can adjust to new inputs, improving over time with a feedback loop. Let's move on and understand what the history of AI looks like. AI might seem like a modern concept, but shockingly, it's not. The history goes as far back as the 1950s. The field of AI was officially born at Dartmouth Workshop in 1956, where researchers came together to discuss creating intelligent machines. And then later on, in 1966, the ELISA program amazed people by simulating human conversation through basic text input. That's very fascinating, in my opinion. A major moment came in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, proving that machines could beat human strategy games. Then later on, in 2011, IBM's Watson outperformed humans in the game show of Jeopardy using advanced natural language processing, something that we used even till date. Finally, in 2012, A deep learning breakthrough at ImageNet transformed AI's ability to recognize images with human like accuracy. And here we are today with modern day AI as we know it. Let's also know about the various types of artificial intelligence. AI is not a single thing, it exists in different forms based on capability. We have three different types of AI, most importantly. First is narrow or weak AI, which is trained for specific tasks, and it will train based on the data like Siri or spam filter. Then there's general or strong AI, which would have human level intelligence across multiple different fields. This doesn't exist yet, but the goal for many researchers is it. Lastly, there's a super AI, which is purely theoretical. It would surpass human intelligence, which is also another aim for researchers today. And honestly, we are moving closer and closer to it with modern day technologies like agentic AI and autonomous technologies. Functionally, we also divide AI into different levels of complexity, and those are reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self aware. Reactive machines can respond only to specific inputs, they don't fit and learn. Limited memory systems like self driving cars, they learn from past data. That means the data that has already been given to it, it learns from it. Then, theory of mind is still under development and would allow AI to understand emotions and beliefs. We can see that in present day agentic AI technologies, it is continuously improving to mimic our emotional voices and are being more empathetic. Lastly, self aware AI is purely hypothetical. It would be conscious and self reflective just as a human. And this is still an idea. We have not reached to that level yet, but the future seems promising. Moving on. One of the biggest keyword, the buzzword, machine learning, and it in fact is the foundational component for artificial intelligence. It is one of the most important part. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform every task, machines can learn patterns from data. And we commonly know machine learning of two types, supervised and unsupervised. And supervised learning, we usually train models using labeled data. For example, in a data, it will have different labels of what the data is about. Whereas in unsupervised learning, it won't usually have the labels. So, like showing a model 1,000 images of cats and dogs. This is an example. And we can use by showing these images to teach it. And it will in turn learn what image depicts a cat and what image depicts a dog. In unsupervised learning, on the other hand, the machine finds hidden patterns and unlabeled data, like grouping similar behaviors. On its own, it will find different key components to differentiate between different kinds of data, and it will encourage a reinforcement learning pattern and teach itself to make decisions through trial and error and get a feedback loop, like training a robot to walk. Finally, in deep learning, we use artificial neural networks like the neurons in our brain, inspired by how our mind works. This is how we get the powerful AI application like image recognition, speech processing, and language translation. And there are different kinds of neural networks, recurring neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and so on. This allows us to process speech, text, images, videos, etc. Let us move on to applications of AI in healthcare. AI had a revolutionary impact on healthcare. For example, diagnostic tools powered by AI can detect diseases like cancer up to 20% higher accuracy than traditional methods. AI also accelerates drug discovery by simulating results and predicting outcomes, reducing years of research into months. Personalized medicine is another breakthrough. AI analyzes patient data to tailor treatments to individual needs, and robotic surgery uses AI to assist surgeons, making the procedures more precise, reducing patient recovery time. AI has truly proven to be extremely helpful in the healthcare industry as we know it. Moving on, let's see how AI can be helpful in finance. In finance, AI has been helping managing risk and boost efficiency. We all know the famous fraud detection algorithms that analyze billions of transactions to identify suspicious activity in real time. Also, in trading, AI models execute orders at the exact right moment to maximize profits far faster than any human trader can. Many banks and apps now use AI powered chatbot to answer customer questions 24/7. As I mentioned earlier, agentic AI has been very common and growing these few days. You might not even realize when you pick up your phone and the AI might be talking to you back. And then comes assessing risks like loan or investments. AI even helps by analyzing data more accurately, making better predictions, overall, giving a robust assistance in finance as well. Everything that we learn has to come with ethical considerations, and so does AI. While AI brings incredible benefits, it also possesses serious ethical challenges. We all have seen all the movies about robots taking over the world. It kind of has the same tone too. One of the major concerns is algorithm bias. AI can reflect and even amplify human prejudices if trained on biased data, leading to unfair treatment. This can be seen as the racial expressions today's GPTs are giving because our previous data has been of that and AI is being trained for it. And that is not a very good thing to move on to. There's also the issue of job displacement and automation increases the risk of losing jobs by humans and traditional jobs may disappear. Privacy is another major concern since AI systems often collect and process sensitive personal data and we may not even realize it. Lastly, accountability is unclear. We don't know if an AI makes a mistake, then who is responsible? And these issues must be addressed if AI has to be used safely and fairly for the longer run. Let us also have a look at the future of AI. As we know it, it is a big, bright, and long future. AI is not going anywhere. In fact, it's going to grow and develop more in the future. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. Machine learning and deep learning will continue to grow more powerful and advanced. AI will become even more integrated in our daily lives. Honestly, it's already extremely ingrained in our day to day lives. From smart homes to virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, self driving cars, everything has some level of artificial intelligence ingrained in it. We'll see in future maybe systems that are more complex and capable than anything we have today. However, it will also be extremely important to focus on creating explainable AI systems whose decisions can be understood by us and ensure that AI development follows ethical and legal guidelines. To conclude this presentation, I would give you an overview of what we learned. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological trend, it has been a transformational force that has reshaped the world. It allows machines to learn, adapt, and even reason, opening up possibilities we could only dream of before. Whether it's saving lives in hospitals, or securing finances, or simplifying daily routines, AI is making systems smarter and more responsive, but at the same time, we must be cautious as AI can continue to evolve and we must ensure that it is used ethically and transparently and responsibly. The future of AI depends not only on what it can do, but also on what we allow it to do. With this, we come to an end. Thank you for your patience and time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Risika, for such a wonderfully informative and engaging session. Your insights into AI have truly broadened our understanding and sparked curiosity among all of us. A heartfelt thank you to all the participants present over here for such an attentive audience. We truly believe that learning is a continuous journey, right? And we are committed to creating more such opportunities to grow together. So I warmly invite you all to be a part of our regular knowledge exchange sessions. So anyone who will be interested to take sessions on regular basis can DM me in WhatsApp. I have said my number here. So thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Guys who are here for the knowledge exchange session, you can leave the session right now. The people are waiting for CJ and me.
Is Honey or Sonupriya on this call?
Sir, Honey is not there in this call.
Who is this? Sonupriya?
No, sir, I'm Arifa.
Okay, do me a favor. Whatever people join in all our meetings, always flash something that if they're interested in internship, they should register on Startup World. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Create a poster created like that and show it. Okay? So when you are
Okay, sir.
sitting quiet, at least that message will get. So display that message saying in order to do internship, register yourself in startupworld.in. Okay? Can you do that? Right now here. Who is the presenter right now?
Sir, now
Who
I am the
has the
presenter.
CJ? Okay, wonderful.
But
So put that.
but Sonu said
Can
me
you?
that the
That's okay.
Madhusudan
Can
will
you
be
put?
take the lead today.
That's okay. But can you put that display the message saying if you are interested in internship, register yourself on startupworld.in.
I
Okay?
want to create a post now.
Yeah.
Guys, we have to wait for a few more minutes. The people were joining there. Before that, you have to share your details in chat box. Just follow the manner I mentioned there. See, everyone share your details now. Is my voice is audible to everyone? Just unmute yourself and just react.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, okay then. Madhusudan, are you there? Hello, Madhusudan, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Sonu said me that you have to take the CGN meet today, right?
Yes.
Sonu said you have to take the CGN meet today, right?
Uh, just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I will rejoin because I'm getting a lot of background voice. Just give me a second. I will rejoin again.
Ma'am, actually, your voice breaks.
My voice is not audible for you. Yeah, just a second. Guys, for now, I'm audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay then. Just I want to repeat it again. I'm asking for the details like your full name with initial, phone number, email, domain. The domain means for which domain you are here for, like a front end development, back end development, like that. And also your location. The location should include both city and state. And also you have to enter your joining date also. Please enter your all details in one message. Guys, please enter your working hours also. It is flexible to yours. For this internship, you have to work for 5 hours per day. The time will be chosen by you itself. You can choose your own time, like 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 2 a.m. to 6 p.m. like that. 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. like this. You have to choose. Guys who are not included their working hours, please just edit that one. Just add the working hours. It is flexible to you itself. The date of joining and the working hours is up to you guys. Madhusudan, your network is proper right now?
Yes, yes. I'm audible now?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yeah, okay. So can you let me know
Just
the
a second.
basic details? Yeah.
I asked for the details of everyone. You can just restart
Mm-hmm.
again. Okay?
Sure, no
Yeah,
problem.
okay. You
Just
can.
can you just give me the details like what's about the internship and how many months it is? Hello.
Hello? Yeah, can you repeat it
Can you
again?
just let me know the domain name, like internship name, and how many months for the internship?
There are several domains, people, and this is for 6 months internship. All are there for six
Okay.
months.
Okay. Fine. So there is no fixed internship, right? So there is a several domains, right?
Yeah, there is a several domains.
Okay. Fine. So I need to check the names and I need to announce the names and I need to take the interview, right?
Not to take the interview here. You just want to make a
Okay.
meet and greet interview here. Then the team leaders will take their interview. I hope, do you have idea about this?
Yeah, I have an idea, but in last time we have done in the another way.
This is not the place for your discussion. Just call me. I mention my number in group chat. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You can contact me through WhatsApp.
Your name?
Arifa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible?
Yeah, Madhu, you are audible. You can go through.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So, who applied for the virtual communication and video editing internship? It's fine. Loknath and Swati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so can you please turn on your video and give me a brief about yourself?
Madhu,
Yeah, Madhu, just a second.
Yes.
Yeah, just
the
for a few minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Let me share some
Okay.
points about this internship for them. After that, you can. Okay.
Arifa,
Okay.
1 minute. Arifa, I'm Sonupriya.
Yeah.
Madhu, the system has been changed from that time to this time. So there is a difference. So you have to not take the interview here. We have to send them into the different link. Okay, you just don't take the interview today. Today let Arifa take. You just learn from her. So from tomorrow you have to take. Okay, Madhu?
Okay.
It's been a little changes in the meeting. You just learn from her. Arifa, you can start now.
Yeah, guys, my name is Arifa. I'm a HR coordinator in Blue Planet Info Solutions. Let me share a few points about this internship. The internship is about completely 6 months internship, and it is an unpaid internship, and it is in virtual mode. Virtual mode is nothing but it's online. I hope these three informations is already by known you before itself, before you arise here, because in the website itself we already given that much information there itself. And from this internship, you will get an offer letter. Is when you start your internship, then you will get your offer letter. And completion of your internship, you get a completion certificate too. And the letter of recommendations will be provided based on your performance. And also, the task will be given to you on for the weekly basis or daily basis. For example, you are from software development, the task will be given to you on daily basis and you have to complete your task and prepare a report and submit to your head. Like this, the task will be assigned for you. And this internship is completely in practical. This is not, there is no any class there. I mean, theoretical classes are not there. If you have any doubts, you can contact your head and they will teach you. If you don't know the some of the websites, like how to do the work, that will be all teaches by your heads itself. Okay, then let me know. The people who are joined for in this meeting, they are from QR itself, right? By scanning the QR, you people join in this meet, right? Guys, my voice is audible to you. Just please respond.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Here we have to first share your details in the chat box. After that, you have to leave this session and join in your QR domain. For that, you have to leave this session and go back. For people who you are joined using the domain QR here, right? In that place, you have to choose your domain. There will be several domains shows you there. In that, your interview will be taken at that time. And also after completion of your interview date, you have to register and start a poll. The link was provided in chat box. After completion of your registration in startup poll, you have to send a screenshot for me. My number is already mentioned in chat box. And do you have any doubts regarding this? Let me repeat it again. First, you have to enter your details in chat box. After that, you have to leave this meet and join in your interview section. After completion of your interview section, you have to register on startup poll and register as a student. After completion of your registration as a student in startup poll, you have to take a screenshot and send it to me through WhatsApp. My number is given in chat box. Guys, do you have any doubts? Please ask me now. Otherwise, you can leave this section and join in your domain QR. If anyone here for the virtual communication and video editing, people please stay here itself. Remaining people, you can leave this section and join using your QR day and take your interview there. Okay?
I want to ask one question.
Yeah, Sneha.
Yes, ma'am, I have applied two domains. So I have to join one after another.
No, you have to choose for one domain itself. Which domains you are applied for here?
Actually, I have received mails for two domains, that is embedded systems and Node.js development.
Yeah, what's your name?
Nihal everyone.
Just you go for embedded system. No, it's your choice. I don't want to tell like that.
Okay, so one I have to choose. Okay.
You have to choose one. Other people, do you have any doubts? Just let me know. Ma'am, is this internship online? It is in online, ma. It is virtual mode. If you don't have any doubts here, you can just leave this section and using your domain
Pavani.
QR.
Pavani? Pavani, are you there? She left the meeting. Pavani, you just ask her where she is from. So if she's from Pune,
Where
the
she is
company is also is from Pune itself, right? So she can also go for offline also. We'll just talk to Avisan and we'll just convey this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
I will
Arif.
contact you personally, okay?
Yeah, so you just call her and just ask whether if she's from Pune, you just tell her the company is in Pune. So there is no accommodation. If she's from other country and other state and she used to be working in the offline, there is no accommodation or the food provided. That is her personal experiences. So, but she can join offline. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Continue.
Hello, ma'am. I have one doubt.
Yeah.
I just applied for Node.js internship, but I'm interested in front-end web development. Can I join in front-end web development?
Yeah, you can join in the front-end development. But just change your domain here, where you have entered your details in chat box, right? Please change that.
Okay, ma'am.
Change that, enter your complete details here and join to that domain. QR, okay?
Okay.
Ayushi Pandey, why these candidates are here? So, do anyone have doubt? You can just ask. Vivek, for which domain are you here for? Which domain?
Node.js, front-end development.
Yeah, okay. So you have to only opt one, and for the Node.js and the front end, for the both also the link is same. You can just join that. So the Suparna is the one who will take for the both the teams. You just have to take only one. You can inform her. So which you want to take?
I have to leave this meeting.
Yeah, you have to leave this meeting and join that meet. Ayushi Pandey. So which domain are you here for? We can't hear your voice. I think you have network issue. Just text in the text box.
அது என்னன்னா இப்போ ஆறுதல் பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்களா? வேற ஆக்சுவலா இது வந்து இப்போதைக்கு மீட்டிங் மாதிரி தான் இருந்துச்சு.
Others, mute yourself.
7:30 இருந்தாங்க. 7:30க்கு மீட்டிங்
Ayushi
தான்
Pandey.
வந்திருந்தாங்க.
Anmati,
இன்னைக்குதான்
please
இப்போ
mute
போய்
yourself.
ஜாயின் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க.
Arifa, mute yourself. Ayushi Pandey, are you there? Ma'am, Flutter development. Did you share your details in the text box? So, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt, Aishi Pandey? If you have any doubt, you just text in the text box itself. Madhu, you just mute yourself. Aishi Pandey, you just text in the text box itself. Whatever you have doubts, you just text in the text box. I'll just convey here.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Priyal.
I just joined the meeting. So, would the interview be conducted here, or do I have to join the other meeting?
So I think you don't know the credentials and the what is the procedure here. I'll just repeat it from the starting and you will have to just do that. Okay. So
Okay.
I think you are aware about the certain things about this internship. This is a 6 months internship, unpaid internship, and it is a virtual mode. So you have to
Okay.
work at least 4 to 5 hours a day. So there is no internship provided for 2 months or 3 months. You have to work at least 4 to 5 hours a day. Sorry, 6 months and 4 to 5 hours a day. This is a compulsory. During your exam and during your anything, some issues is there, we'll just give you a leave. Okay. So
Okay.
the task will be provided to you based on the weekly basis or the monthly daily basis. You have to complete the task and you have to submit this to your heads with a documentation process also every day. So the process of documentation and the procedure will be taught in the orientation program. So now you have to just know that how the procedure and how the internship is about. Okay.
Okay.
So now what you have to do, you have to share your details in the text box. Your details like your phone number, your full name with initial, location. Location should be state and city both. Domain. Domain means so which role you are have come here for. So which role of the internship you are here for. And the joining date and the working hours. Since all these details you have to just provide here and you have to provide in the text box. So because we are the collecting your details and giving it to your domain heads. Okay. After
Okay.
that, you have to leave this meeting. So, for which domain are you here for?
I applied for Node.js, but I'm also interested in front end. So, can I apply for that?
For which one?
I applied for Node.js currently, but I was interested in front end. So, can I
Yeah, you
join
can
that
just
team?
now you can join front end, but you have to choose only one. You can't go
Okay.
for both node and front end. You have to choose only one. Okay.
Okay. So, I can willingly choose, right?
Yeah. You can just willingly choose, and you have to just text. That she had provided. Arifa has provided her number in the text box. You just text her that you are changing from your domain. Okay.
I can't see the contact info.
I'll just share it again about her number. You just text
Yeah.
her, you're shifting from Node.js to front end. Okay.
Okay.
You have to share all these details in the text box and then you have to leave and join the front end development. And there your interview will be taken. After your interview will be taken, you have to register in the startup world. I'll share the startup world website link also. After that, you have to share a screenshot. After completion of your registration process in the startup world, you have to share the screenshot in the same number which I have provided above. Okay.
Okay.
Then, during your interview, the small task will be given to you by your head, means the interviewer who is taking your interview. You have to complete that task within your joining time. Okay.
Okay.
I hope all the steps are clear.
Yeah. So details I have to text in the text box right here.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. In the text box itself, you have to provide your details.
Okay. And the
Ma'am,
working hours, am I able to decide that, or
yeah,
is
yeah,
it
you have to decide
pre-decided?
the time and the date of the joining is both are very flexible. You can select any of the date and any of the time. You can select morning batch or evening batch or the night batch. So from morning 8 a.m. to evening 8 a.m. you can select any of the batch. Okay.
Okay. And is there any training period or something?
There is no training period, but here at the orientation process will be taken in the first orientation. First orientation, the documentation process, how you have to do and how the attendance will be taken, how the procedure will be taught. In the second, in the After entering your domain, another orientation will be done. There, the present project in your team and what is the works are doing by others, that will be done. So other than that, there is no training period, etc. So, but they'll just assign you a task. If you don't know the task, you can just convey this to your head, and they'll just teach you, and you can learn from them. So there is no theory classes or anything like that. Here, it's a completely practical one.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now you just share your details, and then you can leave.
Okay.
Okay, you are for Flutter development, right? Did you share your details? Yes, you have already shared. You have to leave this meeting. Did you join this link using a QR code or in the WhatsApp link? Aishi, you just text in the text box. You have joined in a WhatsApp link. Okay, so for which domain you want the link for? Flutter, right? Arifa, are you there? Arifa,
Yeah.
just provide her the Flutter link. Okay, and then who is left out? I think only 6 are there. Madhu. Okay. Aisha, you just wait here. She'll just provide you a link of Flutter development. You just join this.
Yeah, you can join. It's okay.
You can leave this meeting and join that link. Aishi, you can leave this meet. Priyal, you have to mention your joining date and working hours also.
Okay, sorry, I'll do that.
Yeah, just edit it. That's it. Just edit. Don't text another text. Just edit it there itself.
Is this okay?
No, no, no. So there is no working hours for 2 hours. As I said before, you have to work at least 4 to 5 hours a day. You have to mention like 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 2 a.m. to 7 p.m. like that. No 2 hours working hours is not available.
Oh, okay.
Arifa,
Yeah.
you have done certain mistakes. I'll just repeat it. You have to correct from next onwards. So you have to ask them some of the domains we have to take the interview, right? For the marketing, virtual communication and meeting tools, and script writing, video editing, and some of the domains are there. So HR coordinator, these domains we have to take the interview. So if you just tell them to leave the meeting, they'll just leave the meeting. Even some of the candidates would be there for marketing. They will also leave the meeting and they'll just search for the meeting link, and they, instead of joining any of the meet, they'll just ignore this and they'll just move off. So we will leave, lose the candidates. So from next onwards, after conveying all the details, you have to ask them if some of the candidates from marketing and some of the domains stay here, we will conduct the interview and others can leave. Okay. And you have to say the steps clearly. So you are doing okay now, you can just convey them. So, but you have to tell them, even though if we say lots of things at together, even we can't get the points, every points, right? So what we have to do, you have to convey them slowly. So you have to say them step by step. See, as I said her for the Priya, I'll just Priya, I said, right? So first step, you have to share your details. Second step, what you have to do, you have to leave this meeting and join your interview meeting. So then at the third step, the interview will be conducted and you have to register in the startup world. Fourth step, you have to share me a screenshot. And in the fifth step, you have to complete the task which is provided by your interviewer before you are joining the internship. So these five details, you have to repeat it 2 or 3 times so that they can understand easily. Once if you say them, they can't understand clearly. Okay? Did you get the points?
Yeah. From
Yeah.
tomorrow
Okay.
onwards,
You have
data banking.
Yeah, okay. I think, Madhu, even you got the point how to take the interview, right? I mean, how to take the CGN meeting now. What?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. I'll just join tomorrow also with you. Arifa, tomorrow you take, and Wednesday, Madhu, you will take. Okay, Madhu?
Okay.
Even tomorrow
Yeah.
also you have to be present because you are having a lot of gap from 3 months. So you have not know what is the changes has been taken in this meeting. You just join tomorrow also, learn from her. Nilima, mute yourself.
Madhu, please
Arifa and
mute
Madhu, mute
yourself.
yourself. Nilima, why are you here? Do you have any doubt, or did you get the interview done or not? Do you want any link? Nilima, just unmute yourself and respond. Otherwise, just text in the text box. Nilima Vigi. So, do you have any doubt? Why are you here back?
Is this virtual communication?
Oh, see, that's what happens. See, Arifa, she's from virtual communications. The virtual communication tools and meeting tools has to be taken by us. Nilima, Nilima, are you there? So the virtual
No,
communication and meeting tools,
ma'am.
what interview will be taken here itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Just on your camera and start your introduction.
Okay, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Neil BTech in Yes Data Engineering College in ECE stream. Major is my academics. I also have done some projects like Swift technology, how to work in Swift technology, and uh, gender detection introduction to Python, HTML, and CSS for my interviews and so on. That's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
You have applied for virtual communication and meeting tools, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but you have a technical background, right? So this is the non-technical background. So virtual communication and meeting tools. So why are you interested to join this one?
So the point is my in EC stream, my domain also in communication domain. So I want to learn more about communications, and that's why I joined in this.
Okay. So along with the virtual communication, there is also called term called as a meeting tools. So in the meeting tools, what we want, we are searching for the candidate who have a expertise in the some meeting tools like Zoom, Google Meet,
Uh,
and
Google
other
Meet and
types of
Microsoft Teams.
yeah. So what is the difference? Means what are the different features from the Zoom to Google Meet? Can you just specify some?
So Zoom meeting, we didn't. I think we didn't have poll sections and question and answer sections like that. In Google Meet, I have seen question and answer sections and poll sections. What poll? Suppose your interview interactive section, which domain wants you have, you can create polls like that. I think so.
So only so much difference or one any major difference that is different from Gmeet and Zoom. So in this internship or in this company, we are majorly using these two tier what tools. So that is one is Zoom and another one is Gmeet. So what is the major difference and the major? I'm just not asking a small one. Just what is the major one?
I can't hear your voice. So I can learn about that, ma'am. Now I don't know about that. I can learn, but
Yeah. Okay. So did you share your details in the text box?
yes, ma'am, I have shared.
Okay. Okay. At I think at 9 or around. What's your working hours? What is your working hours? Login time and logout time.
Well, I can work. My college is done up to 3 p.m. So I can work from 4 p.m. to 12 p.m.
4 to 8 or 9, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, okay.
Yeah, okay. I think around, so as you're having an virtual communication meeting tools, so that has to be asked by our CEO company. So today at 9 o'clock, I'll just call you for that meet. You just join that meet, okay? Did you hear? At around 9 o'clock today, I'll
Okay.
just call you for one meet. You
When, ma'am?
just join that meet. Today, 9 o'clock, 9 or 9:30, okay? So when are they going to join for this intern?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
When
Thank
are you
you.
going to join?
Can I? Well, I can join from tomorrow onwards, ma'am.
Okay,
Can I
from
join?
tomorrow, right? Yeah, okay. You can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
join from tomorrow itself. Okay, then. If you have, are you interested
So
in
how
6 months
can
internship?
we? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So you'll just receive a mail that you have been selected and what are the further processes like orientation program and joining date and offer letter. So different mails will be received by you. So next, the mail will be
Okay.
about orientation program. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
if you didn't any receive any mail, you just contact me, or you can just I have one number is there, right? You just contact her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I leave
Yeah. Okay.
now,
Yeah, you
ma'am?
can leave the meeting. Yeah, you can leave the meeting.
Just a second, Nilima.
Yes,
And also,
ma'am.
you applied for Flutter development intern.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just edit that message.
Okay. Thank you.
Arifa, I think you got what are the mistakes you have done. You have to correct it next. Ah,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see my message, ma'am. Hello?
Yeah, Nilima.
I can't see my message, ma'am. Can I resend again, ma'am?
Yeah, you can. You can resend it again.
Can I leave?
yes, Madhu, you can leave.
Okay.
Yeah, Tanmay, what's your problem?
Sorry, ma'am. Could you please repeat?
Why are you here for?
I saw the message on WhatsApp that all the team leads joined this, and I was in another meet of Komal, ma'am. That meet just ended, so I am here now.
Yeah, okay then. Okay, then wait.
Is there no teaching, learning, or knowledge exchange session now, or it is ended?
It is ended. It is for 7 to 7:30 itself.
Yep. Sorry for the delay. So, is there anything new, or means, what is this meet going on for now?
But this meet is the CJN meet. And in the interview, in the knowledge exchange, the Kushika is said about the AI.
Okay. Sorry, did I disturb you?
No, 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 no.
Cool. Then thank you for the info, ma'am. I think I came here by mistake. Cool.
Yeah, okay.
May I leave?
Yeah, you can leave it.
Yep. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Arifa, end the meeting, yeah?
Yeah, okay.